Assess the filtered air without water and oil, and the air pressure is not less than 0 MPa. Turn on the machine by pressing the buttons in sequence. Switch languages. The password is 123,456. Click here. Switch over successful. This is the cleaning head. The cleaning head is equipped with a circular touchscreen operation. Its language can be adjusted here. Then here is one of its parameter settings. Its power and pulse width can be adjusted. Then slide the screen to the next page. Its cleaning mode can be adjusted. Click on this icon. We have straight lines here, rectangles, circles, and all kinds of patterns. There are a total of 10 operation modes. Its cleaning speed can be set here, the width and length of cleaning. The next screen, for sine or circle. It has a sinusoidal quantity. It can be set 10 times or 20 times here. And it's filling. After the parameter settings are completed, click this button to change it to on. Then click the trigger button to get the lights out. Parameters can also be set directly on the machine. Password 123,456. Find the focus through the double red light. Two points coincide as the focus. Straight line. Upright rotation. Rotation. Bidirectional rectangle. Circle. Circular ring. Triangle. Spiral. One-way rectangle. After use, press the buttons in sequence to turn off the machine.